How do pop-up drink stands qualify for business loans? Pop-up drink stands qualify for business loans by showing lenders a real business structure, some cash flow history, and a clear plan for how the loan will be repaid, even though they operate seasonally or move locations often. Here's the part most people never think about. Lenders do not actually care that your stand is small or temporary. They care about whether you look like a real business on paper. That means having a business license, a separate bank account just for the stand, and some kind of sales records, even if those records come from a simple notebook or a payment app like Square or Venmo Business. A lot of pop-up owners get denied not because their idea is bad, but because they apply as an individual instead of as a registered business entity, like a limited liability company or a sole proprietorship with an employer identification number. Something not many people know is that microloan programs, often backed by nonprofit lenders or community development groups, are usually far more open to seasonal and mobile businesses than big banks are, because their entire mission is helping small local vendors get started. These lenders often look at your potential and your local reputation more than years in business, especially if you can show letters of support from farmers markets, fairs, or event organizers who already book you regularly. One big caution is that inconsistent income scares traditional banks, so keep a simple monthly log showing your busy months and slow months, because explaining the pattern up front builds trust instead of raising red flags. Another thing to watch for is hidden fees in quick approval loans marketed towards small vendors. So always ask for the total repayment amount in plain dollars, not just the interest rate. Lastly, many pop-up owners forget that equipment financing is often easier to get than a general business loan. So if you need a cart, generator, or refrigeration unit, apply for that specifically instead of a broad loan. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.